Hey guys, hi. I'm gonna be making something I've been kind of looking at for a little bit. It's called Lasagna Soup. It's from one of my vegan books that I have right here. Let's just see how it turns out. So we need lasagna noodles, tomato, supposed to be crushed tomatoes, but I couldn't find that. I'm adding olives. It doesn't call for it, and I need to get this pan. Put on a bra today just for you guys. I don't know why I look this way, but I'm just gonna roll with it. My ears hurt because I was wearing headphones all day. First thing is we're gonna chop an onion. Oh, onions are right here. One onion. Finally chopped onion. I'm gonna turn the heat on. We're gonna put in some olive oil. 2 tablespoons, maybe a little bit of vegetable, just because we're using extra virgin and you're not supposed to cook with that. Now we're gonna chop an onion. I'm not wearing any makeup today. Aren't you proud of me? That's one of my New Year's resolutions, actually. One of them is to wear a little less, makeup this year, because I found myself last year always feeling like I needed to put on at least a little bit of makeup if I was going outside. That's kind of inconvenient, as well as I should have enough confidence at this age to be happy with the way I look and not feel the need to put on makeup like every single time I think someone's gonna see me in public, you know, like random strangers. 1 cup, which is about 1 onion. Over medium heat, we're saute the onion until it's translucent. This is actually from Vegan Comfort Classic. I like this book more than the other one I got because it actually, I don't know, it tries to make more like comfort food type, not strictly healthy vegan food, because that's like a common misconception that if you turn vegan you're just not gonna have any good yummy food, and I think any real vegan knows that you still have the same cravings for like your favorite treats, so you can definitely still enjoy them if you just make them vegan. That's my spiel. For seasoning, it calls for 1 bay leaf, teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes. I have cayenne pepper, teaspoon sea salt, teaspoon ground pepper, some Hawaiian sea salt, some pepper. The main ingredients in this are 3 cups diced zucchini, aka 1 large zucchini this says, 4 cups sliced cremini mushrooms. I have some button mushrooms. That should be fine, right? 1/4 cup tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, 1/4 cup fresh basil. I have dried basil. That's all I can do right now. 1/2 cup parsley. So I have the dried versions of that, which means you put in less. If it isn't fresh and you're using a dried version, it'd be better if you had fresh, I think. Besides that, it's 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 vegan beef flavored bouillon cubes, and 8 cups of hot water, or 6 cups of vegetable stock, and 2 cups of water, and 12 lasagna noodles. Oh, and 6 cups packed baby spinach. So this is honestly a pretty healthy recipe, but it sounds delicious because it has all the stuff that make Italian food so good. So I'm gonna dice this garlic, add my seasoning that I just showed you, the oregano, red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, and saute it for a little bit. Lower the heat, and then add zucchini and mushrooms. I'll be back. So my onions are definitely translucent. This is 4 cloves of garlic, teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper flakes, red pepper flakes, but I have cayenne pepper, so I'm just gonna do 1/4 teaspoon of that because I like spice. There you go. 1 teaspoon of sea salt, a teaspoon of ground pepper. We're just gonna eyeball that. Add zucchini and mushrooms and cook. occasionally 6 minutes until most of the water from the vegetables is released and evaporates. Okay, so I just did a quick conversion, a few Google searches later, and I think it calls for ½ cup of basil. The rule is like a ratio of 1 to 3. ½ cup is roughly 8 tablespoons, so 1/3 of 8 is about 2.5-ish, something like that. So what we're gonna do is put about 2 tablespoons of basil, dried basil, and I think we'll be safe. Same goes for the parsley because it calls for ½ cup of fresh parsley. So hopefully that works. And yeah, that's it. Math, gotta love it. 3 cups of zucchini, 4 cups of mushrooms is about cooked down. It's supposed to cook about 6 minutes or until the water is mostly evaporated. Still has a little bit of time to go, I think. And after it's ready, once it's ready, we're gonna add quarter cup of tomato paste. We're gonna add the vinegar, the basil, and brown sugar. Oh yeah, and the parsley. This is what it's supposed to look like. Doesn't look that appetizing, but I mean, can't go wrong with lasagna. So I just added basil, parsley, balsamic vinegar, brown sugar, and chopped those olives up, added them. About ½ a can, could add more. I forgot to add the bay leaf in the beginning, so it is there now. So we're gonna let this simmer for about 2 minutes, I believe. Oh yeah, tomato paste is in there as well. I added my 1 can of crushed tomatoes, aka the tomato sauce I had, and 1 tomato to make up the difference in the ounces. I then added the rest of those olives, and now I'm adding chicken stock. I know it's not vegan, I had this huge thing from Cost to Less that I bought a while ago in my cupboard for the past couple years, and I just need to get rid of it. I'm not one to waste it, so I'm just using it until it's gone. So I added about 8 cups of water, and so I'm thinking maybe 6 bouillon cubes, because it's 1 teaspoon of bouillon per cup of water that you add. So I'm gonna see how 6 does, because these get very salty. Once you start adding a little bit too much of them, you kind of have to gauge it. So let's see how it goes. Well, I'm just gonna throw them in now. It's not boiling yet, but it says to throw it in before it gets boiling. So I'm gonna break these up, 12 lasagna noodles. Isn't that cool? Pretty. And throw it in. Yeah, so good. My soup finished, or beef. So as you can see, the noodles have cooked. Oh wait, duh, I gotta add the 6 cups. We're almost there. We're gonna try to add 6 cups. Don't look on hot, so don't be afraid. Looks like everything in there. Let's pretend I've got a cup. 3 cup and a half. One. Okay, a minute. I think all of it in. 2-ish. 3-ish. 4-ish. Look at 6 cups. This is half babies. This is about something. 5. Wait, where are we at all? I didn't see what's in it. So we're gonna add the rest of it, I guess. I'll have some arugula, which I'll see. As you might know, spinach and stuff like that wilts down a lot, so it looks like I didn't even add anything already. Get off the heat, and this is our final product. Looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I haven't really tried it. I took a couple sips of it just to test if the saltiness was right, but it tastes pretty good. Don't think I over seasoned it with the basil or parsley. I'm glad. I was kind of sweating there. And there's a lot of good vegetables in here. A little lacking in the protein department, but it's okay. I'll figure something else out. Maybe cook some. Next time I can make like add tofu to this. Oh duh, I was gonna add garbanzo beans. Are you kidding me? That would be so perfect in here. I completely forgot about that, so maybe next time I make this I'll add garbanzo beans. Even now I could add some, but it's better when you cook it with it. Well, anyway, I forgot about that. Anyway, pretty full though. Looks good. Hope you try it.